Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces 222. It is Thursday, June 18th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit for you guys today. So what we got going on. Just a reminder, tomorrow I'm not going to be doing any readings, and this weekend I won't be working. Just to let you guys know, so I'm going to try to get as much done. I've already gotten quite a few readings done this week that were due, so I'm going to try to finish up today and get those out. Alright, so let's go ahead, see what we got going on today. Okay. All right, this is interesting. So, I mean, this kind of goes hand in hand. So we got selling out and self-sabotage. And I feel like, yeah, this is definitely along the lines of the energy that, you know, I've been kind of feeling for a little while. A lot of us are really coming to terms with just how much we have self-sabotaged ourselves in our journey and with our, the expectations, basically, that not only have been placed on us, but the expectations we have placed on ourselves, okay? And just basically how we've held ourselves back, you know, because we're afraid of disappointing others. But in the end, we just end up disappointing ourselves, right? So I feel a lot of guilt coming in, a lot of self-guilt, okay? And, some of you, this is involving a soul connection of some kind, whether it's a soulmate connection, a twin flame connection, a karmic connection, what have you. Some of you have been holding yourself back because of this person, okay? Or, you know, of the expectations placed on this connection, okay? And so that's being highlighted right now, okay? Some of you are coming to terms with that and you're dealing with your guilt here, okay, and kind of literally asking yourself for forgiveness, which is very, very important right now, because you can't forgive others unless you forgive yourself first, right? And so I definitely feel that there's a lot of emotion coming up right now. Some of you may be purging. I mean, we've got the Queen of Cups in reverse and the Princess of Cups, okay, but we have a lot of green here, a lot of heart chakra here, which tells me some of you are going through a heart chakra awakening or a heart chakra opening, okay, which is bringing up a lot of emotion that is tied to this guilt feeling, okay. Some of you are needing to release a situation. Some of you are very emotionally tied to this situation that you're needing to release, and it's very, very difficult, but the universe is urging you to do it, you know, to basically just cut ties, or cut and go, cut and run. Does that make sense? Like, cut it off and go. And some of you are just having a really hard time doing that, right? Yeah, walking away. Because some of you have just been in this energy of not needing to, or not wanting to do what you know needs to be done, and which is, you know, walking away from this particular situation, okay? So some of you, you know, a truth may be coming forward that's going to help you do this. A message may be coming forward that's going to help you do this. Maybe there's some truth that you need to speak that's going to help you do this. And I do feel it has to do with some sort of soul connection. So those of you in a soul connection, again, whether that's a twin flame connection, a soulmate connection, or a karmic connection of some kind, there's some sort of karma that's being cleared right now, and some truth may be coming out that may help you walk away from the situation, okay? Yeah, and just understand that it is a time for healing. Just remember that, okay? And take it in stride. And you know, I know it's hard for us, a lot of us, because we're mostly rational beings, believe it or not, even though we're spiritual, and we want to know why things are happening. Just know that it's healing. There's something that's healing within you, and that's why it's happening. That's all you need to know right now. And once you release the need to fully know exactly why, that's when the clarity will come. It will make sense eventually. It's kind of like when I do readings, sometimes the message, it just comes in bits and pieces, but then when I get to the end, it all ties together and it all makes sense. It's the same thing with healing and with your journey, okay? You just get to a point where things just connect and you're like, oh, okay, I get it now. Right. So emotions, yeah, definitely running high. I just said that basically. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, purge if necessary, because it's going to get more intense before it lifts. Okay, and that's because you have to clear it. You have to clear it. That's what healing is. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.